Good to see you back, guys. Once again, I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript array methods. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn two new methods, array find and findIndex. Here you can see an array named age, and inside this array, we have total 4 values, 18, 13, 21, and 10. And now I want to search result based on the condition. I want to search a value which is equal to 18, otherwise greater than 18. So I create a variable and assign a value which is 18. And then we need to create a function, and inside this function we need to create a condition as like our previous tutorials. And this method also pretty similar with our previous method, but in our previous method it returned boolean value true, either false. But if we use find method, in that case it's going to return the value. It's going to return the first value which match with this condition, and according to this array it's going to return our first value 18 because it's matched with the condition and it's ignored all the values. But if our first value do not match the condition, in that case it's going to return 21. So this is the usage of find method. Now let's talk about findIndex method. This method is also similar with find method, but the difference is it returns the index number from this array, not the value. Find method always return value, but findIndex method return the index number, which is 0. So without wasting your time, let's start the practical and see how it's works. As usual, we open our Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I already created a HTML document named index.html. As you can see, inside the script tag we have an array, and we have total 4 values in this array. And as you can see, here we use our previous tutorial function, adult. This function going to compare the array values one by one. And as you know, to execute this method, we need to create a variable. So I create a variable x equal to ages dot, and our first method name is find. Then inside the round braces, we need to pass the function name, which is adult. So let's set the file and see what it returns. If I set this file, as you can see, it's returned 19. It's returned the exact value which is matched with this condition. So this is the usage of find method. It's always return the first value which is matched with the condition. Let's talk about our another method which is findIndex. So here I'm going to type findIndex. And if I set this file, now you can see it's returned 2, but the question is why? As I told you earlier, findIndex method always return the index number. And as you can see, at index number 2, we have 19. That's why it's returned 2. So I hope now it's clear for you what is the usage of find and findIndex method. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.